Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you what you can do if your Facebook Messenger app is not working correctly and not functioning well. But before we get started with this tutorial, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So are you trying to use Messenger but you're not being able to, let's say, send a message, upload a story, chat with friends or anything, and your Messenger app is simply not working correctly? If that is the case, then you want to make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can fix your Facebook Messenger not working at all. We're going to simply run through some of the checks on this video which will hopefully get your Messenger app to work again, so make sure to watch till the end. First things first, if your Messenger is actually not working correctly, you should understand that Messenger is an online application, so you want to simply check your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is working just fine, you also want to try to simply switch to your cellular data. If you're using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi, or if you're using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular and see if the problem persists. And also try to use other social media apps other than Messenger and check whether the issue has actually been resolved or not, because most of the times it could also be simply your internet connections issue. Once you've actually verified that, the next thing we are going to do is to simply make sure that it is not the device's bug or the application's bug. So if your Messenger is not actually up to date, you could actually be facing minor issues and bugs. So in order to fix that, we are simply going to open our app store, and in the search box I'm going to go ahead and simply type in Messenger. So let me just go ahead and type in Messenger and then check whether the app has an update available or not. If it does have an update available, go ahead and simply tap on the update button. Until you don't see the open button, it means that the Messenger app most likely has an update. Go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Now hopefully this may have fixed your issue, and it may not also have fixed your issue. The other thing you could do is you want to identify whether it is your account's issue or your Messenger app's issue. For example, if it is your account's issue, it could be that the Facebook has actually limited your activities due to some kind of suspicious behaviors. You want to simply open Messenger and then try to switch accounts and then try to use it from other accounts. Maybe you're trying to send a message but you're not being able to because Facebook has limited your account activities. You can tap on the profile icon on the top left, go ahead and switch your account, try to log in from other accounts and see if the problem persists or not. Now if the solution worked, that is completely fine. The final thing you could do is, if you are an iOS user, what you can do is you can simply offload the app by going to your iPhone's settings, general iPhone storage, and then tapping on Messenger and offload the app. For Android users, what you could basically do is you could simply open the app info page by tapping on app info. You could also access this menu by going to settings, tapping on apps, searching for Messenger, and then coming to the app info page. Once you're on the app info page, we're actually going to reset the Messenger app. So we can tap on storage and cache. First thing you want to do is tap on the clear cache button, and then you can tap on clear storage, tap on OK. Now make sure that this is actually going to reset your data. You might have to log into your Messenger app again, so make sure you actually remember your credentials once you've actually reset it. The other thing we could also do is simply tap on force stop and then reopen Messenger, re-log into your account, reauthorize all of the permissions the app requires, because if you do not allow the permissions, the application could not be functioning properly at all. We hope one of these solutions may have actually worked for you, and if it did work for you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.